Have you ever downloaded a video on your computer only to open it up and it not work? Have you ever had multiple PDF files that you wanted to print all at once, only for Adobe to tell you to open them one at a time and print them one at a time? How many times have you downloaded a photo that has a weird file type that can't be opened up? Today, I'm going to show you a website called CloudConvert. And what this allows you to do is convert over 200 file formats to a format of your choosing. You can change a spreadsheet into a presentation. You can choose an image into a document. You can even mix and match if you really wanted to change a GIF into a PDF format. You can do that as well. What this website will also allow you to do is merge PDFs so that you can print them out all at once. So let's say you just downloaded a photo and it came in a PNG format. What you're going to do is drag that file into the converter, and then it's going to give you these options. You can either convert it into a JPEG format or a WebP format for whatever reason, or even a GIF if you really wanted to. Or you can even convert it into a PDF. I'm going to click convert, and it's as easy as that. It'll take about 5 to 6 seconds to download, and you have yourself that exact same picture, but now as a JPEG. Now, let's say you have a video file. In this case, I'm just going to put in an MP4 file. I'm going to drag it in, and now it'll give me a whole new set of options. I can convert that into audio only. So if I wanted to change it to an MP3 or an AAC, I can also change it into a GIF, right? Or I can convert it into an MP4 format or an AVI, and those are the most common ones. So if I click on this, I can change it into an AVI format, click convert, and it's a video, so it'll take a little bit longer, but within a few seconds, you'll have your file, click download, and that's that. I'd say the most useful point of this, besides all the converting, which is absolutely amazing, is how much this can actually convert. You can see all the archive. I got a bunch of zip files and 7Z files, the audio files, CAD documents. I changed documents to PowerPoints, and I changed PDF to Word documents a whole lot. So this website has come in clutch more than a few times, and it has just about every file format you can think of. You got your JPEGs, video, vectors, spreadsheets, presentations, images, even fonts you can change. But I think the coolest part of this entire website is the merge PDF. So what you can do is get a bunch of PDF files, not those kinds of PDF files. Get as many PDFs as you want, right? Drag them in. I'm a teacher, so I got a bunch of writing stuff. It's automatically going to merge them. I click merge, and then it'll give you one PDF. So if you have a bunch of PDFs to download and print out, but Adobe is like, oh, you got one, you print one, you download one, and that's it. And it's going to take you an hour and a half. Now, all of your PDFs are in one space, so you can download them, print one out, and you're done. And that's it. This was just a short video, but if you have suggestions for another video, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.